We heard previously that Canada is going to spend this year $46.4 billion on debt servicing. So that's not new spending, that's not new debt, that is just money that taxpayers' money that we have to spend to maintain the debt that we already have. And that's in a context where the current Prime Minister, Justin Trudeau, has more than doubled the national debt. To the Parliamentary Budget Officer, my understanding is that that $46.4 billion figure, how does that compare to the total amount that the federal government transfers to the provinces for health care?
It's slightly lower than the transfers Canada Health Transfer, which this year is expected to be $49.4 billion.
Okay, so 46.4 to 49.4. So with about a $3 billion difference, we transfer a similar amount of money to the provinces for health care as this government spends on servicing the debt. So hypothetically, if we didn't have debt in this country, we could actually double the transfers we're sending to provinces. And if we didn't have the debt that was accumulated under this government, we could increase the amount of healthcare transfers to provinces by 40 or 50%. That's the real world impact of the out-of-control debt and out-of-control increases in costs associated with debt servicing that have come under this government. And we heard from this government in the past, don't worry, the cost of servicing debt is low because interest rates are low. But they failed to consider the fact that interest rates, of course, go up. Could you confirm, sir, that we've seen increases, significant increases in the costs of debt servicing as a result of the increase in the interest rates?
Yes, that's an important factor.
And in comparison to last year, you said previously, there's been an over $10 billion increase in debt servicing costs in total as a result of the increase in the interest rate.
Interest rates, but also the increase in the debt stock.
So the government is increasing spending, increasing debt. That's driving inflation, which is increasing costs for consumers. That's leading to increases in the interest rates because of rate hikes that are responding to that. And that is further leading to an increase in the debt servicing costs. Is this a kind of snowballing effect that we're seeing as the government spending is driving increase in various indicators that are all impacting the costs that Canadians have to bear?
It's one factor that contributes to increasing interest rates and increasing inflation, but it's obviously not the only one.
Thank you very much.